Hi everyone, welcome to the class 10th class English medium sets chapter. Today in this class let us learn the basic operations on sets. What are basic operations? So there are four fundamental operations in arithmetic. We know that addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Similarly, in sets for this class there are three fundamental operations or basic operations: union of two sets, intersection of sets, difference of sets. So what are they? Let us learn in the class in detail. First, union of sets. Let us understand this concept by taking an example here. Mu is a set of all students in our school or in our school. Your school is a universal set for all students for all classes. So, in that school, A is the set of students who play football. Let us select some students to play football from this school. Of course, there are some students they are selected for a tournament. So they are A is equal to Chandar, Banu, Hemant, Mohan, Madhu. And some students, B is a set of students who play volleyball. So these students selected to play the volleyball for tournament from our school or your school. So here total how many students are selected to play football and volleyball? Total how many students? Let us write here: Chandar, Banu, Hemant, Mohan, Madhu, and here Akash, Banu. Banu is already repeated. Here repeat Banu is repeated. Banu is playing both football and volleyball. So we have to take one time only. There are no two Banus, only one Banu is there. So again I have already written here. So I do not take again this element. Or Mohan. Mohan is already there written here. So don't write. Rahul. Rahul is not there. Let us write. Then Anil is not there. And Praveen. So here Banu plays 2 games and Mohan plays 2 games. But we have to take one time only because only one Banu is there, one Mohan is there. That's why we should not repeat the name. So here how many members are playing both? How many members are there selected to play football and volleyball? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 students. Here are 9 students. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 students who play football. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 students play volleyball. But together 5 plus 6 there should be 11 students. But here are only 9 students because 2 students play both football and volleyball. But so we write only one time. So all the students, this team together known as A union B. A union B means A union B is a new set which contains all the elements of A and B. All elements of A and B. This is a new set. It seems there are two sets, but A union B, how many sets are here? Only one set. So the set which contain all the elements in A and B is called A union B. So if I write here, what are the common elements? Only common. Students who play both football and volleyball. How many members are there? Only two. So this is Banu and Mohan. They play only, two persons play only both games. This set is called A intersection B. This symbol, this is union, this is intersection. Intersection means the set of elements which existed in both sets, which are existed in both sets. They are in A and they are in B. So this set is called A intersection B. This set is called A union B. And what is A minus B? The students only who play football. Here let us write the elements in A first. Chandar, Banu, Hemant, Mohan, Madhu. Minus A minus B. B means Akash, Banu, Mohan, Rahul, Anil, Praveen. Here A minus B is a new set, the set which contains only the elements in A but not in B. Here Chandar is in A but not in the team, B team. So we have to take, first of all we have to strike out the common elements. Here Mohan is existed in first team and also existed in second team. And here Banu also exists in first team and second team. Strike out them, but only in A, Chandar, Hemant, Madhu. These three persons play football. So these three persons play only volleyball. 4 persons, 1, 2, 3, 4 persons play volleyball. These three persons play football. But we have to take here A minus B means the elements which are in A but not in B, which are in A, that means Chandar, here Hemant, Madhu. The set of these three elements is called A minus B. But what about these elements? These students play only volleyball but not football. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that set is called B minus A. B minus A means the elements which are in B but not in A. They only exist in B but not in A. So therefore we take Akash, Rahul, Anil and Praveen. So once again revise, let us revise. A union B is a set which contain all the elements of A and B. A intersection B is a set which contain only common elements of A and B, only common elements. A minus B is a set which contains only the elements in A only. B minus A means the set which contains the only elements in B but not in A. A minus B, the set contains the only elements in A but not in B. Minus but not. So, in this way, there are three basic operations on sets. First one A union B, second one A intersection B, third one A minus B. Let us understand more about union of sets by taking some example. Let us take an example. A is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, B is equal to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then what is A union B? Let us write all the elements in A and B. First of all, let us write 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all the elements of A. Then while writing the elements of B, do not repeat the elements which came already in the A. 7 is already in A, 8 is already in B, A, and 9 is already in A. So, do not write again. Take remaining elements 10 and 11. This is A union B. If you take first one, 5 belongs to A. Take second one, 6 belongs to A. And 7 belongs to A and B. 7 belongs to A and B. 8 belongs to both A and B. And 9 belongs to A and B. And 10 belongs to only B, but not A. 11 belongs to B. So, if we take any element, either it belongs to A or B. So, let us write the definition of A union B. So, A union B is a set which contain all the elements of A and B. A union B is a set which contain all the elements of A and B. In A union B set, the element belongs to either A or B. So, let us write the set builder form of A union B, that is equal to X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Either it belongs to A or belongs to B. The symbol, it belongs to A. The symbol this U means union. Here U means here what? Union. It stands for union. Union. You have to read it as union. So, here if you take any element, either it belongs to A or B or both A and B. So, in this way we can define A union B. Now, let us represent this A union by Venn diagrams. How to represent A union by Venn diagrams? First of all, we have to draw a rectangular box that represents mu, universal set, and here A and B have some common elements. That's why we have to draw like this, the overlapping sets. A and B should overlap on A because they have some common elements. Now, what is A union B here? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. A union B is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, let us write the common elements in this part. What are the common elements here? 7, 8, 9. These are common elements right in the common part. This is the common part of A and B. This common part belongs to A and also belongs to B. So, write the remaining elements in A of except 7, 8, 9, there are 5, 6 elements are there, they belongs to only A, so write here 5, 6. And here except 7, 8, 9, there are 2 elements in B, these 2 elements belongs to only B, so write here 10 and 11. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is the method to represent A union B. First of all, we have to write common elements and write only elements in A in this part, only elements in B in this part. All together it denotes the A union B. Sometimes you are asked to shade the region of A union B. If you are asked to do that, you have to shade this region by like this, some horizontal lines, total region, this is horizontal lines in this way. Here this is the method. Now A intersection B, we should read it as A intersection B. What is A intersection B? The set which contains only common elements of A and B is called A intersection B. Only common elements. So for example, A is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, B is equal to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What are the common elements here? 7, 8, 9. But the common means here they exist in both A and B, both in A and B. So they are 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. They exist both in A and B. This is called A intersection B. Now represent this A intersection B by Venn diagram. Just draw the two sets like this, overlapping sets, because they have some common elements. Write the common elements in this part 7, 8, 9. That's all. This is called A intersection B. Represent right here A intersection B by this shaded region. Let us shade this region, shaded region. This is also A union B, that is represented by this shaded region. This is not A union B, up to here only. In the shaded part is only A union B. Here shaded part is A intersection B. So read it this one as intersection. This is read as union. Write the definition of difference of two sets and Venn diagram of difference of two sets. A minus B is a set which contains only elements of A but not existed in B. Here A minus B is set. Here A is equal to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. B is equal to 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here 9, 10, 11 existed in both A and both B. So except these 7, 8 are there, they are existed in only A. If we write the set by taking these elements 7 and 8, this set is called A minus B. Let us cancel the common elements and take only these elements. This is called A minus B. These elements existed only in A but not B. 8 also only in A but not B. Similarly, B minus A is a set which contains only the elements in B but not A. Here if we take 9, it is also in A, 10 in B and also in A, 11 is in B also in A, but 12 is only in B but not A. So I have written here 12. 13 only in B but not in A. So 12 comma 13 is B minus A set. Let us represent these sets by Venn diagram here. This is A, here B. We have to write the 7 comma 8 in this part like this. So this part is called only A and also it is called A minus B, this part. This is mu. Now let us represent B minus A by Venn diagrams. Only this part B, that is 12, 13. 12 and 13. Only this part is called B minus A. Don't shade these two parts. So this part is called B minus A. And this part is called A minus B. And this part is called A intersection B. If we take these three parts, that represents A union B. In this way, we can represent A union B, A intersection B, A minus B and B minus A by Venn diagrams.